There are a cat on my bed. Wait. What did you say? There are a cat on my bed. Just one cat, right? Yes, just one. Then say, there is a cat on my bed. Oh, okay. There is a cat on my bed. Perfect. So now, if you have many cats, then I'll say there are cats on my bed. Yes, now your bed is a zoo. We use there is for one thing. For example, there is a cat on the bed. There is an apple on the table. And we use there are for many things. For example, there are 2 cats on the bed. There are apples on the table. Easy, right? Okay, your turn. Listen and choose the correct one. Sentence 1. A dog in the park. That's correct. There is a dog in the park. Good job. Sentence 2. Many people in the room. That's correct. There are many people in the room. Good job. You are learning fast. Watch my next skit for more fun English language lessons. Okay, see you next week. Bye.